We are now going to enter Diwanji Ni Haveli. I hope you like all the blogs at Binoy's Travelscope. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Do give us your love. Let me show you our room. The room is a traditional Gujarati design of the Haveli. This is the family room that we have taken. You have all the modern amenities over here. The bathrooms are quite spacious. The mornings in Diwanji Ni Haveli is very quiet and peaceful. You can see the wonderful sky and the sunlight. And there's a small terrace over here where you can enjoy your tea in the morning. We are now going to enter the central courtyard of the Haveli. Every Indian Haveli has a central courtyard where sunlight comes in. See how the woodwork is intricately carved. Look at the designs. They are the jharokas or the windows of the rooms which open towards the courtyard so that sunlight comes in. We have over here a traditional temple of Mataji, it's a traditional drawing. Jai Ambe. Mataji ni Pachedi. Now let me show you something interesting. How our ancestors used rainwater harvesting, which is now a fad, which we Indians had a long time ago. The Haveli has a rainwater system harvesting over here. This is made of lime, and there is a small hole which you can see from where water is seeping in. Rainwater would be harvested after the second rainfall as per the astrological constellations, and through copper pipes, the rainwater would come here. People would then utilize this water for drinking and other activities. And also, if you observe, the base is made of stone, the carvings, and on those bases, Burmese teak wood has been placed. They do not get termite affected, and this is more than 300 years old. Now you will be wondering, what are these decorative wooden panels for? If you observe, Gujarat had a very bad earthquake and all the new construction faced a lot of damage or they fell down. But this 300-year Haveli, nothing happened. Why? Because shivers coming from the earth and stopping it over here itself. Thereby the building remains safe. You will be intrigued by these hollow windows in the walls. They are known as gokles, and in olden days, diyas would be kept here to light the entire Haveli. Every niche has these gokles. They are all decorated, and diyas would be placed here in the night because there was no electricity. You now know why our Indian architecture was such wonderful. As you know, Havelis in those days had many entrances to avoid attacks and to escape. This is one of the entrance of the Haveli. You can look at the intricate carvings of the Haveli, which has parrots and the different animals and wonderful floral design. There was also an inbuilt well inside the Haveli. Let's show you that. There are steps over here. You can see this is also a hiding place whenever there were enemy attacks happening. And it is so cool inside the entire Haveli. If you see, everything very cool. So even the temperature outside is very harsh. The temperature inside the Haveli is well maintained. This is the well that is there inbuilt inside the Haveli. This was also used as hiding place during attacks. The Haveli known as Diwanji's Haveli. Let us delve into the history of the Haveli. Diwan to last Mughal ruler Subha to Gujarat has a legendary story of being fatally slain by sword Janoi Gha in the battle. He returned to this Haveli, tightly packing his body in his armor. To convey that the battle was lost, he breathes his last in this courtyard. Now, coming to a secret passage in the courtyard. During days of war, this was a secret passage which also acted like the treasury of the house, and lot of treasure and everything was transported to Bhadra fort which is nearby, and the gates were sealed. As per the history of the Haveli, you guys know it was by the Diwan, and when he got wounded in the battlefield, he died here. So how he should take his meetings? We are now in the Sabha Mandap of where Diwanji would take his meetings. If you see the Sabha Mandap, it has very beautiful decorated peacocks on the top, and everything is made of again of Burmese teak wood, and it has lasted almost 300 years. You can see the colored glass on the windows. This just shows amalgamation of Indo-British architecture. Light would come in. There are chandeliers over here. Now they have traditional bulbs. A traditional painting of the Jain temples in Ahmedabad. Such a beautifully made painting. Now, as we step out, you see such beautiful Greek architecture with floral prints. Everything has floral. This is a perfect example of Indo Greek and British architecture. This is one of the other banquets hall that the Haveli has. As you know, modern constructions have RCC beams, but these are all again structured on Burmese teak wood. And look at the tiles that are there. Nowadays, these tiles are not available. It's a very good place for small functions like haldi or engagement ceremonies. The property is also given for pre-wedding shoots, so you can contact the Haveli. Welcome to the terrace. You can have a view of the old city of Ahmedabad. Please share your experience with us.
First, yes, hello.
Hello to everyone.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to be in your travel video. We are so impressed with the Haveli. It's like getting to live in a museum. It is a museum.
Myself, Mukesh, experience culture and traditional of heart of Ahmedabad old city. इस प्रॉपर्टी में हम हमारे पास 3 रूम हैं और 5 बैंक्वेट हॉल हैं और एक पार्ट हमने हेरिटेज होटल में कन्वर्ट किया है जो फॉरेनर्स और इंडियन गेस्ट के लिए हम देते हैं। हमारी प्रॉपर्टी OTA पे भी अवेलेबल है, booking.com, मेक माई ट्रिप। जो हमारे यहाँ गेस्ट स्टे करते हैं उनके लिए हम सिटी टूर के साथ साथ गुजरात टूर का भी हम अरेंज करते हैं। उसके लिए एयरपोर्ट पिकअप, एयरपोर्ट ड्रॉप और मोडेरा, पाटन और कच्छ और भुज के लिए भी हम टैक्सी अरेंज करते हैं।
Thank you so much, viewers, for subscribing to our channel. I hope you liked our Ahmedabad, Modera, and Sidhpur series and the Ahmedabad Heritage Walk. Please subscribe to our channel. We would really like to know what you like to see, and please comment. And do visit Diwanji Ni Haveli. And I have given all the details to you on our description box along with the booking details. Thank you so much. Bye.